Hello everyone and welcome to the first WIP Olympic Roundup. It's been a week since I started the WIP Olympics. If you haven't seen the video where I introduced that, it is on my channel. It is an idea I had to rotate my WIPs more randomly. I have 5 WIPs going on, and every day I'm using the wheel to choose which kit I will be working on the next day. And every time a kit is chosen, it gets 1 point. So by the end of the week and at the end of the month, we will have the roundups to see which kit was the winner and if I will be able to finish a kit, because they are pretty big, and being so randomly not able to focus in one, I don't know how it will go. I might not have a finish for the month of July, but we will see. Okay, so let's get started. Now, number 5 with 0 time spent, but dog hair on. It hasn't been chosen in the wheel at all this week, unfortunately, because I really wanted to work on this. It is the Dog of Butterflies. It is a round kit, and yes, unfortunately, the wheel didn't want me to work on that. Hopefully next week. Number 4, with just one day of being selected, is the Dance of the Cherry Blossoms, and it was very fun to do. I hope I really enjoyed it, and I would hope to have it more often chosen. I managed to do almost half of the top row in one day. It is very confetti heavy, this top row, because it has all the flowers, and it took a bit of more time to complete that much, but I'm very happy on how it turns out, and I'm really excited, and I can't wait to see it all completed, especially the girl that is dancing. I think it will be great over there. Okay, so next one, if you saw my monthly review for the month of June, you probably saw that I wanted to DNF that kit. Nevertheless, the wheel decided, I decided to keep on working on it because I've spent so much time already, and the wheel wanted it to be worked on twice this week, and I did pretty good progress. We are talking about the Gilded Serenity, the old version of the Gilded Serenity. It doesn't look bad in the camera, but I don't like how it looks up close. So I had a section this big here on this corner, this 1.5 sections here, and I also did one more, almost 2/3 of the row on the bottom. The strange color you see here is the fairy dust that wasn't supposed to be here, and it's one of the reasons I wanted to DNF it, but I have 2.3 rows to go and have it finished, and I don't know. Maybe I will put it in the wall of shame. I don't know what I will do with it after that. These 3 WIPs, the Gilded Serenity and the other 2, were all had 2 points this week. So the other one I worked on 2 days is the Enchanted Fungi Grove, and I love how it turns out. I will make a comparison project on the first draft I had, on the sample I had from a company for this kit, to see how different company from company can be, according to the rendering and the selection of the gems and everything about the diamond painting, and how important it is to choose from a company that cares for the outcome. The last one, and it is also a big reveal, it's the one that I am still working today. It's still early, so I have a couple more hours to work on it. It is also going slowly. This is a very confetti heavy canvas. It will be released on July 20th. It's not released yet. I haven't shown it yet, but I decided that it is about time, because I don't like all this sneaking and picking and things like that. So, as I said, it is a very confetti heavy canvas. It is the Echo of Spring. Here she is. And it goes slowly. That's why it's not a huge canvas. It's 60 by 50 by 70 centimeters. I have done this part on the top, and you will say, but Nata, this is muddy. Well, no, it's not muddy. It's just how the artwork is, and that's why I will also put a photo of the original artwork here, so you can see it. But I love it. I love the colors. It has tons of specials, and I really enjoy working on it, even if it goes really, really slowly. But I love my confetti. So, yep. That was it. That is the weekly roundup. And if you like that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of the WIP Olympics and all the other content I have planned for you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't did already, and the bell button so you will get notified every time a new video is going up. Until the next week, maybe, or maybe I will have something in between, I don't know yet. But for the WIP Olympics, that was it for this week. I will still keep posting every day the little shorts that show which kit is selected. And let me know in the comments, do you believe I will manage to finish one WIP for this month? Okay, now I'm really going. See you later, bye!